calling out mega and giga and all that stuff, and then kilo, because like in
Wow.
measurement that is it's with a base of 10, but with computers it's basically, I mean, nobody ever says MEBIBYTE or GIBIBYTE. Nobody ever says that, but
No, literally, no one fucking says
that might
that.
be like the technical way that they get around calling it mega and giga, because, you know,
Oh, it's
that's not a
technically
billion,
incorrect.
it's not a billion.
Because it's not
It's-
really. Oh
it's
yeah, it's not really
technically-
1,000. Like kilo, it's like
Powers of
1,024.
2, powers of 10.
Oh
Yeah.
damn! We have to be technically correct. We can no longer say megabyte. We have to be like MEBIBYTE. That's hilarious. I wonder what these how I say these all, like kibibyte. I don't know.
GIBIBYTE.
Kibibyte. Gibibyte. I don't know. They're so
Tibibyte.
they're so funny.
Tibibyte.
Gibibyte.